sadly, this is why, conversations like we're having now are vitally important, because if just one patient sees this interview and it makes them press pause and do a little bit more research and have consultations with doctors like yourself or other surgeons that I'm associated with, or they find the 8 Gentlemen's Best Hair Transplant Surgeons in the World article, and it makes them stop and get educated and scratch the surface, because, like I say, everybody's just ready to, they want it now. We're living in an Amazon Prime kind of society where everybody wants to click the button. They want it doing straight away. They want it to be delivered straight away. And sadly, after having 13 hair transplants myself and being one of the, a veteran in the field, I see this day in, day out. Despite the fact I'm repeating myself a lot with all these interviews, it's important because the message is really important that patients get educated. And it's fantastic that surgeons like yourself are willing to promote that fact and willing to promote patient advocates like myself,
It's
that patients can get protected.
it's